In this video, I will guide you through how to improve OBS video recording quality. So come to the bottom right of OBS and click on settings. Come over to the left and go and select video. Come to the top where it says base resolution. I recommend just making this the highest possible. This is what it is actually going to be saved as. So for me, I like it to be as high as possible, and then for FPS set that to 60 as that will be as smooth as possible. After you make any changes, click apply. You can then go over to the left into output. Just set the output simple, by the way. So what you can do is go and improve the recording quality here. Personally, I keep it high quality because I don't want too large a file. For me, format MP4 is going to be the easiest. You can then go and click apply and press OK and go and see if that improve the quality.